This is not a test. Strange people wearing masks of cats and dogs have been seen killing each other and citizens. If you see someone wearing a dog mask, stay still, as these people will only kill when someone runs. However, if you see someone in a cat mask, that means you are safe. Cats will never be seen when hunting you. But this does not mean you aren't safe from cats. Cats are clumsy and can be detected using sound cues, like cups knocking over. We have footage of a fight happening, but the tape was burned by dog members. The audio is the only thing that remains.
Hey, bruv, I think there are cats around here. I heard some of them noises. Hey, you know I can't do that all by myself. Plus, there's a guy right over there. Oi, bruv, get off our land. This is our fight. Kill him.
The voices you hear are members of the dog group. It seems as if the dogs are winning this war.
Hey, mate, this is the dogs. All powerful, all great. Yeah, and we've come to reclaim the town. Bruv, let me speak. I am the leader after all. Sorry, boss. This town was taken from me. I used to be mayor, so I formed the dogs in the street and made the cats clumsy fools. But tonight, it all changes. Say your prayers, traitors.